Isikhathi sendaba zesindebele sinibikela zona bunqopha ukusuka emzimkhulu wezohatshe eAuckland Park eJohannesburg asitshejele izikhamba phambili namhlanje.
We all know as South Africans, both black and white, that there is no genocide here. We are not genociders.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi amabhuru amachumi amane nethoba abawe ukukhoseliswa eAmerica mdanisile ngokuleyamala ukuthi ayaninwa bekayabulawa lapha ekhethu.
Si department singasho ukuthi umuntu noma ngimuphi lo HIV positive eprovince ngakhona ukumniketa imithi yedlula 3 months lokusho kona ukuthi sendela ukuthi bangalokhu every day baye ema clinic.
Usomkhandlu wezempilo eMpumalanga usasekani Manzini uhlome ijima lokunikela ngamchoka yama ARV ngomba nabantu abaningi abane HIV abayithatha imchoka yabo esingeni esinge ehlazeni.
Sizoba nemali ebekiwe efika lapha ku 250 million ezosincedisa ukucedelela iLoskop Dam.
Now they ask us to
Umeyara wethembisile eMpumalanga uLiseja Dihale uthi umraro wamanzi kumasipalata wakhe uzokuphela maduze nje ngomba nase babekele ngeqadi imali engange 250 million yokudosa amanzi edamini iLoskop. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa izindaba godu ke SABC1 ngesindebele Lotshani Makhaya. Umengameli weSouth Africa uCyril Ramaphosa uziphayile insolo zokuthi batsho amabhuru ayaninwa eSouth Africa. uRamaphosa ukhulume lokho ehlelweni leANC elisehlagweni Kapa nakaveza imbono yakhe ngekhambo lakhe lokuya eAmerica ngeveke zako. Kulindeleke ukuthi uRamaphosa ahlangane noTrump ngeveke zako ngelesithathu. Lokho kulandela ukubogaboga kobudlelwane phakathi kweSouth Africa neAmerica.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa akenge angingize nakakhuluma ngelwazi elimamala elikhulunywe emabhuru afuna ukubekwa ezingeni lokuba baphalali eAmerica.
We all know as South Africans, both black and white, that there is no genocide here. We are not genociders. We are not committing any act of hatred, act of retribution against or violence against anyone.
Mayelana nekhambo lakhe lokuya eAmerica umengameli ubeke ngalindlela.
We've got a number of issues to discuss. Trade issues, diplomatic issues, and relationship issues. So we are not going to be distracted by anything.
Umcozululi uthi lesi sikhathe siqhakathekileko sokuthi bakhulumisane abahola babili ba.
But I think what we also need to understand is that the Trump administration is trying to impose penalties on South Africa for its position in the International Court of Justice. And so, you know, we shouldn't look at it lightly, the fact that they keep insisting on this word of genocide.
Siliphiko lendaba ze SABC sikhambile sayendleleni zeJohannesburg sayokuzwa imibono ehlukahlukeneko mayelana nendaba le.
Them having this back and forth and not physically meeting. You know, some things can be sorted out in terms of physically meeting and ironing out these issues.
I don't think there's necessarily any solution unless, of course, if somehow we can find or use some of Ramaphosa's business acumen, maybe there might be something.
Nakusenjalo, inhlangano zimbalwa zizokusolo ziphose ilihlo libukhali mayelana nekhambo likaMengameli uRamaphosa leAmerica.
Isiyingi sehlanzeni eMpumalanga kuthiwa sinesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abaphila nengogwanaye HIV kodwa nabangathathi imchoka. Usomkhandlu wezempilo usasekani Manzini ngokubambisana nomkhandlu lisana nendumbandonga kunye nababelani basejibeni lokuchochozela ukusetshenziswa kwemchoka eliswana nendumbandonga.
Ebantwini abangaphezulu kwenkulungwana ezili-130 abathwayeleke ngengogwana ye-HIV eMpumalanga. Kodwana abathatha imichoka ehobhisa ingogwana le. Abazinkulungwana ezili-13 bafunyene babuyiselwa ehlelweni lokuthi bathathe imichoka. Usomkhandlu uthi ngejimeli bahlose ukuthola nalaba ababalekela ukuthatha imichoka.
Something that we are preaching, that if you don't feel any pain, it does not mean that you are not sick. So that is the problem, and most of these are male people. that don't want to take medication.
Omunye ophila nengogwana ye-HIV uthi kuqakathekile ukuzihlolisa nokuthatha imichoka kusesenesikhathi.
It's important that we provide treatment literacy to everyone that is living with HIV and ensure that those that are living with HIV knows the impact of not starting ARVs as early as possible.
Inhlangano zomphakathi zithi zizimisela ukusekela ukufikelela laba abangathathi ama-ARV.
When you're looking at the numbers here in Tanzania, in the province, we're the highest, and it's so scary that like a lot of young people are on those numbers.
We have launched a campaign that is called Better Men for Tomorrow to say we need to change the narrative now. We need to ensure that we engage men, not only just men, boys as well.
ISouth Africa iqothele inembo le 1.1 million lokuphephisa abaphila nengogwana ngokuthatha imichoka ngaphambi kokuphela komnyaka lo.
Ikhotho ephakemeko yokuzibilayeza isiphayile isibawo sikaDokotela Nandipha Magudumana sokuphikisana nokubotshwa kwakhe eTanzania. uMagudumana ubuye godi watshinga ekhotho le wafaka isibawo sokubisela emuva isiqundu esithethwe ikhotho ephakemeko eFree State eyapha ya isibawo sakhe sokuthi kuthethwe njengokungasemthethweni ukubotshwa kwakhe ngokuthi wazivumela yena ukuze elizweni le.
Isibawo sikaMagudumana sokuthi kuthathwe njengoba kungasisemthethweni ukubotshwa kwakhe siphayiwe ekhotho yokuzibilayeza eBloemfontein. Lokhu kulandela isiqundo esifanako sangomgwengweni ngo-2023 esathathwa ikhotho ephakemeko yeFree State nekuyinto uMagudumana ebeseza ichijila.
The appeal is dismissed with costs, including the cost of 2 counsel were so employed. The order of the minority judgment is that the appeal is upheld with costs, including costs of 2 counsel to be paid by the first, second, third and sixth respondents.
Iphiko lozokuthuthiswa komphakathi lithi lokhu kuqinisela umbuso icala lalo begodu kuvula indlela eya ekulalelweni kwecaleli ngovela bahlinze lapha kulindeleke ukuthi bonke abasola abalithoba kubalwa kibo umbulali kunye nomkati Mjeje ekulisokana lakhe uThabo Bester kulindeleke ukuthi bavele ngaphambi kwekhotho.
It vindicates our long-held view, firmly so, that the deportation of Dr. Magudumana from Tanzania in 2023 was above board.
Isiqhema samagcwetha kaMagudumana sithi sidanile kodwana asikalahli ithemba ngesahlelo lesi.
We still have faith in our case that we have a meritorious case. Obviously, we have yet to receive the judgment.
Ukulalela kwecala kubekele umhla ka-21 kuvela bahlinze ukufikela ngomhla ka-19 kuKhukhulamungu umnyaka lo.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo uPieter Groenewald uthi besingasisezandleni zakhe isiqundo sokunikela umbulali kaChris Hani uJanos Walus iparoli. uGroenewald ukutsho lokhu nabe kaphendula ikomiti yeParlamente yokuhlenga kwesimilo kanti ikomiti le ithi ukuchatshulula kukaWalus kuqalelela phasi ubulungiswa. Uthi nanyana angakasiphikisi isiqundo sekhotho sithethwe ngokuqala izahlulelo zamanye amacala afana naleli cala.
Swathu wasicala lokubulala unobhala zombelele we-SACP uChris Hani ngo-1993. uWalus wathi wesigwebo sentambo kodwa ngemva kwesikhatshana sehliswa isigwebo sakhe kwathiwa aqeda impilo yakhe yonke ejele. Wadinywa iparoli amahlandla amane kwathi ngosinye khaba 2022 ikhotho yamnikela iparoli ngokufanisa icala lakhe nendaba kaVan Vuuren. Nakwethula isahlulelo ecaleni likaVan Vuuren ngo-2010 kwakhulunywa ngendlela yokuqalana nokunikela imbotsho ezagotshwa isigwebo sentambo iparoli. Ungqongqoshe wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo uDokotela Pieter Groenewald uthi isahlulelo esisatshugulula ikambiso yokunikelwa iparoli kwembotsho ezagotshwa isigwebo sentambo ngaphambi komhla ka-1 kuSewula 2004.
The case of Walus, he's a typically Van Vuuren case because I think he committed the crime in 1993 if I can remember. So what happened? Firstly, as minister I can only comply to court findings and the law.
Amanye amalunga weParlament athi indaba kaWalus le iveza isithombe esimbi ngezobulungiswa. I-EFF ithi iParlament kufanele isebenzise umkhumbulo wayo nayiqalana nendaba le khulukhulu ngemva kokuvunyelwa kukaWalus ukuthi abuyele epholeni ngoNobayeni ngomnyaka opheleleko nakuphela isikhathi separole yakhe.
Although you say, Minister, that you think you will lose the case. I think it is a matter of correct politics and a matter of correct law and a matter of correct public perception. Even if you're going to lose the case.
Okhronevald uthi indaba leyo uyiqale ngelihlo elibukhali ngombana nange ingaye court umbuso ungalithomba icala kuzokubetha isikhwameni sombuso. Uthi iEFF ayizikhethela ukuthi isitshijela kanjani isiqundo sekhotho kodwa na ikambiso le ayikazi ukuthoma eminyango wezokuhlengwa kwesimilo.
Umnyango wezefundo eGauteng uthi icala lomfundi weminyaka eli-17 ubudala ogwazwe wabulawa ePhimville eSoweto iveke pheleko selidlulisele ofisini kaCommissioner wamapholisa wesifunda. Lokhu kulandela ukubheliswa kwabasolwa abathathu nge-4,000 zamaranda umuntu ngamunye ikhotho kamagistrata weLenasia ngelesibili. Abafundi beenkolo zePhimville bathusele ngokuvala iinkolo namhlanje babambe imatshi kodwa nomnyango lo ukhulumisene nabo.
Umndeni kaSimphiwe Vuyelo limele uhlabe kumbi ihlelo lezobulungiswa ngokubhelisa abantu abaduna abatsha abathathu abasolwa ngokubulala umsanabo.
Ntombi ngalokho sihlungu kakhulu ngokuthi bathola ibhayili asazi kanjani ngoba nomntwana wethu lo yabambulela asikamncwabi nokumncaba. Imasise amalungiselelo ukuthi sizazama ukuyomncaba kodwa bona sebehamba ngaphandle.
Namhlanje kusena abafundi bebazilungiselela ukumatsha endleleni zePhimville kodwa nakhange basamatsha. Abafundi abakathabi ngokuthi abasolwa abathathu abasolwa ngokubulala umfundi lo bangaphandle ikibe umlingana nabo akasekho ephasini.
These kids were from school and going home. They didn't bother anyone. So these UJ students did what they did and they murdered a school child. So they can't be released on a mere 4,000 and say it's a reasonable amount.
Umnyango wezefundo uthembisa abafundi bona icaleli selisesigabeni esiphezulu. Usomkhandlu wezefundo ukhombela abafundi bona balisa umthetho usebenze.
We've made it a high priority case, and that's because from what happened earlier in the week with the perpetrators getting bail, there was a feeling that the case is being mishandled.
Umngcwabo umfundi weminyaka eli-17 ubudala wesikolo iMusi High kulindele kubona ube ngosonto abasolwa ngokumbulala bazokubuyela ekhotho ngenyanga kaVela Bahlinze.
Nasibuya entolo.
We believe ukuthi soon indaba inkinga yamanzi sobe siyinqobile ithembisile municipality.
Izakhamuzi zikamasipalata wethembisile zilila ngamanzi zithemba ukuthi ngemva kwembizo uza kuphela umraro wamanzi. Sisesigabeni sesibili sendaba zesiNdebele kanti nazikuphunile kuyazithola ku-YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku-Facebook. Asirage nazo. Ngemva kokulinda inyanga ezilikhomba uKamkhelo Thakong weminyaka emibili ubudala wabhubhelanga emhlahlaneni wekhabo wachaka umnyaka ophelele kwempumalanga yeNel Mafias ePitori ugcine abekiwe. Ngokuya ngembiko unina wathola umkhukhu uvutha nakabuye ukuyokha amanzi. Umndeni wenza inhlahlubo zefuzo ngondaka kodwa nabe unganayo imali yokumbeka. Inhlangano zomphakathi, amalunga omphakathi kunye nabosomabhizinisi bahlanganise inhloko bayokusekela umndeni uKamkhelo bewafumana umncwabo ohloniphekileko.
Umndeni kaNthakong uhlangene ukuyokubeka ithambo labo uKamkhelo Nthakong. Ikonzo yomngcwabo ithome ngengoma esikinyiswe ngunina kaMufi uNtswaki Nthakong bewathokoza kulabo abalula isandla esikhathini sebudisisi. Umphakathi Soul of Africa Civic Movement isize umndeni kaNthakong ngendleko zomngcwabo besolo basekela umndeni lo solo kwavela igama lokuriyado kumbeka ngenyanga ezilikhomba ngenxa yenhlahlubo zefuzo nendleko zomngcwabo.
It was a very difficult journey indeed because we had to fight for the DNA test to come out. After the DNA test coming out, we had to go look for funders, sponsors to assist us in burying our beloved daughter. So at least we got people that are very loyal to help black people.
Ukhona nosomabhizinisi osekimileko wazokusekela umndeni.
Ke bonyane bo re khonang go boetsa as an African. So as a child ile ngwana o monyane e utlwisa botlhoko, and then re itse he soil of Africa e tla illa ka ngwana then le rena ra utlwa botlhoko ya re thatcha.
Umndeni uzwakalisa ukuphumula emoyeni nethabo ngokubeka kwakaMogelo ngemva kokuhlangabezana neentshijilo ezingaka. Umalume kaMogelo umhlathulule njengomntwana obekahlala thabile.
Umasipalata wethembisile hani uthi uyazi ngesililo somphakathi malungana nomhlako wamanzi indlela ezingakhambekiko neminye imraro engaphakathi kwamasipalata lo. Umeyara kamasipalata uLiseja Dikgale uthi babekele ngeqadi imali engange 250 million yamaranda ukwenzela ukuqedelela umthangalo sekelo wamanzi osuka edamini iLoskop ayokuphakela ezinye indawo zikamasipalata. Umeyara ukhulume lokhu embizweni ebeyimalungana namahlelo okuletha ituthuko kunye nesabelo semali ebeyibanjwe eKing Yabela Building kwaMhlanga. Kanti uComfort Masombuka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Lapha zinkhulu zikamasipalata amakhosi ababelana namalunga omphakathi bahlanganisa inhloko denjwa zokuletha ituthuko nekambiso ezakusetshenziswa ngumasipalata wethembisilane ngemali yesabelo somnyaka wemali ka-2025-2026 kazihlangana nokhunye ukuguguna izakhamuzi zikamasipalata lo zindlela ezingakhambekiko begodi izakhamuzi zakezinye indawo zalapha zithi amanzi wepompi ziwezwa ngobatsho njengomane impompi zangikhabo zineminyaka zihloga nethosi lamanzi. Ngezinye indawo izakhamuzi zilela ngokuthi sekwabalisika ukuthi amanzi bavulelwa ngempela veke kwaphela. Umeyara kamasipalata lo Liseja Dikgale uthi ukutshejile konke lokho uthi amanzi kuzokuba liqalo ntanzi njengomana babekele ngeqadi 250 million yamaranda ukuqedelela umthangalasekelo okwadosa edamini iLoskop phakwele ezinye indawo zalapha.
Sizoba nemali ebekiwe efika lapha ku 250 million ezosincedisa ukuqedelela iLoskop Dam. Sicabanga ukuthi ngoNovember ifanele be ready ukuze abantu abafana endaweni ezifana neVerina ezifana neMzimuhle kuhle besizwe Phumula neMandlethu bakwazi ukuthi nabo bathole amanzi every week at least 3 to 4 times a week.
Kanazi zemthangala sekele noendlela masipalata uthekile umnyaka wemali ozako icalo ntanzi zizobamisela ekhambisa amanzi magega nendlela khona zingazohuhuleka lula nakunizulu khulukhulu endleleni eziyenkolweni emazindleni nemakhaya. Abanye abaholi bendabuko banethemba
ngekulumo yamakliniki basibeke emkhanyeni ngoba ikliniki endaweni yangekhethu eVezibuhle sizwa ukuthi iphasile nebudget yakhona iphumile.
Ezinye izakhamuzi ziphefumule nganasindlela.
Indaba yamanzi sonke siyazi ukuthi kudala inkinga, meaning that now ithembisile ihlangene ne district inkangala nabe ba investe kakhulu la indabeni yamanzi. So we are expecting ukuthi maybe ukuhamba kwesikhathi angeke ngiestimate, but we believe ukuthi soon indaba inkinga yamanzi sobe siyinqobile.
Nanyana kunjalo umasipalata usalela ngokutsitsila kwezakhamuzi ekubhadelweni izenzelwa. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
Kezemali randa lehlile nalinganisana nezinye imali ezikulu. Asiqale umbono wakho mbukeli ngale ndaba eqeda ukuphela naku yalandela.
Ingathi uzabanzima kulamavukuvuku asenatural endiwathandayo i-champion ungena phaa kula top 8.
Mina ngifisela isiqhema seKaizer sakaBaku kwakathombeni sithi Baku ku-Hungry Line ngosonto singene kuma-playoffs maza ngena kuma-playoffs singathumba.
Ezibuya-ke lapha ezansi ku-NFT ezizonyuka zela phezulu i-Durban City hayi izame kakhulu laphana. I-Orbit College ngicabanga ukuthi nayo izokwazi ukuthi ingene uma sidlala ama-playoffs.
Team lato ngena ku-top 8 uyakhulu ngathi lamathathu Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates Mamelodi Sundowns.
Wasasa Kaizer Chiefs ivula Polokwane City ka 2-0 na refa joba betha Polokwane City obvious tsaka mara top 8.
iDurban City la kanjani izongena kuBetway Premiership.
iDurban City isemathubeni amahle ukuthi ibuyele uBetway.
Kaizer Chiefs ngeke ngiyibale ngoba ngiyayibona iKaizer Chiefs ngazathi sifuna ukudlala isi top 10.
Ama team oyithi la uzoyithathela 3 point
yiwo impela seshayo ngoba manje afuna ukuvika ini ufuna ukuvika izembe.
Umbone kweMbukeli SABC ayizukuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Asikhambe sokuqala ubujamo bezulu. Ngiawale khomba zikhona indaba zisizulu akube ibhela veke ephephileko umusa